Is your car interior starting to feel more like a dumpster than a sanctuary? Don't worry, you're not alone, but it's time to take action. Today, we're going to show you how to clean your car interior like a pro. Before we dive into the cleaning, let's gather our tools. You will need a vacuum, a microfiber cloth, a cleaning solution that's specifically designated for the interior. You'll need brushes and a detail brush. Starting by vacuuming out the loose dirt and debris, pay attention to the crevices and corners where dirt tends to hide. For stubborn stains, use a detail brush to loosen them up before your vacuum. Now, let's tackle some hard surfaces. Use a microfiber cloth and your cleaning solution to wipe down your dashboard, your doors, and your center console. Avoid using harsh chemicals that can damage the plastic or leather. For your fabric or your seats, you're going to use a cleaning solution and a brush, and this will be used to scrub any stains out. So first, you're going to apply your cleaning solution and use a brush or a drill brush with a drill and gently drill or scrub away the stains, which will help with your shampooing. Make sure that the area dries with a microfiber cloth or vacuuming the area that you just shampooed to get that wetness out of their seats. If you have leather seats, you may want to use a leather cleaner and conditioning to keep them soft for your interior detail. For the finishing touches, use a detail brush to clean the vents, the cup holders, and other small crevices. For a first scent, you want to add an air freshener and use natural air freshener like essential oils to give your car a fresh and clean smell. So, there you have it. With a little time and effort, you can transform your car interior from a mess to a masterpiece. But remember, a regular cleaning will help maintain the cleanliness and the value of your vehicle. So, thank you all for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful car care tips. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Now enjoy the rest of the video.